and welcome to our program. In today's episode, we look at Tinubu, the Hitler of Nigeria, the copycat of Hitler's death squad programs. In this program, we are going to talk about these two leaders, President Ahmed Tinubu, President of Nigeria, and Adolf Hitler, Chancellor of Germany, who ruled between January 1933 to 1945. Here we will look at the similarities of their leadership and the characters of these two men. Let us give little briefing about Adolf Hitler, the hitman of Germany and the man who hated the Jews to the core and waged war to kill them. Indeed, the pursuit of Jews in other parts of Europe led to the Second World War and divided Europe. These hatred displays on a particular race and the tribe, the Jews, and the evil mind eliminated them on the surface of the earth. These leaders did not know his origin, was activated in Nigeria by APC former Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari as APC project against the Igbos of southeastern Nigeria. However, the current president, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Jagaban of Lagos, the hitman of Nigeria in this present dispensation, is a core tribalist, racial anti-Semitic against the Igbos. There is no doubt this has been properly displayed in every facet of his leadership since he assumed office. His hatred against the Igbos and some other member nations of West African Economic Community is never hidden, or has never been hidden. Unfortunately, this is dividing both Nigerian ethnic nationalities and the West African sub-region. We will look at the rise, short brief note of the rise to power by these two men. Tinubu sees Hitler as his mentor, and we will look how Hitler came to power. His antecedent can be characterized with that of Hitler of Germany, that is, Nigerian president's antecedent, who maneuvered himself to power. This is similar to what Hitler did. Hitler maneuvered himself to power in Germany simply by activating issues that made the president of Germany to appoint him as Chancellor of Germany. And the motive behind this maneuvering to be the Chancellor was to eliminate the Jews of Germany and Jews all over Europe. There is no doubt that today, APC of Nigeria has become a replacement of Hitler's Nazi National Party in function and characterized by extreme anti-Semitism, hatred, and anti-Igbo. Thus, heading to Hitler's leadership style that caused the World War II and divided Europe. Nigerian division is imminent with Bola Ahmed Tinubu's brutal and suppressive leadership style of Hitler. When we look at Hitler's rise to power, Hitler was not elected by popular votes of German people. He was never elected by the people through his party winning the election, but he maneuvered the system through legal means. On January 30th, 1933, von Hindenburg, the president of Germany, then handed over power to Hitler as Chancellor or Prime Minister of Germany. Similar ceremony was organized by Nigerian President then, Muhammad Buhari, for Tinubu's handover on the 28th May 2023. In a word of Hitler's spokesman, Joseph Goebbels, as found in his diary, a quote, "It is like a dream. The Wilhelmstrasse is yours," he said to Hitler. He later became the future Hitler's Minister of Propaganda. In Nigeria, it is equivalent. It is the same way Buhari handed over power to Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Aso became their dream. Tinubu's dream had been Aso to be in Aso since he helped Muhammad Buhari to become the president in 2014. Ahmed Tinubu came to Aso like Hitler went to Wilhelmstrasse in Germany. Like I stated earlier, Hitler was not elected by the popular vote of Germans. So also was Tinubu. Tinubu was not elected by the popular vote of Nigerians. But he entered into the leadership by way of institutional legal conspiracy arranged under Muhammad Buhari, the then Nigerian president, and all APC members, including INEC. They used paid under the leadership of Professor Mahmoud Yakubu Inotana and the Nigerian Supreme Court representative named Justice Ian Okoro of Akwa Ibom State. Like Hitler, President Tinubu was sworn in May 29th or on May 29th, 2023, after former President Muhammad Buhari handed over power to him on the 28th May 2023. Tinubu's spokesman, Bayo Nanega, or Bayo Onanuga, who had been propagating hate speech and propaganda against the Igbos, like his German counterpart in the Nazi government of Hitler, Joseph Goebbels, who was particularly against the Jews, was also given position. And Onanuga, in this very regime that always speak against the Igbos, the elimination of the Igbos, Igbos must go out of Lagos and Yoruba land. Even out of all parts of Nigeria, was given a special position. He was appointed by Tinubu as the special advisor on information and strategy on the 13th of October 2023. These are the level equivalent of using Hitler's political program against the Jews back to Nigeria and implementing it against the Igbos. In another episode, we will bring to you how Tinubu changed the APC program and adopted Hitler's program to attack and eliminate Igbos and the political opponents and turn Nigeria to one-party state. With this, we will come to the end of this very program. We thank you for watching. Do not fail to subscribe, like, share, and comment.